Alright, so here we got a couple of... Awesome! This one literally just started up. Alright, so there's a startup of this one. That one's... Here we have a couple of Frigidaire units right here. For the second time. This one just started up. Awesome. Frigidaire. Has a Copeland scroll compressor. I think I have... Oh, yeah, it does have a micro channel. I think it's a heat pump. Yeah, it's a heat pump. Sounds nice. Listen to that. Yeah, this thing literally just fired up. Has like a recycling symbol on it. It's a 4-ton from 2014, and it's already cold. Fired up in cool mode. And here's another one. Awesome. Gotta start with this one. Here's another Frigidaire. Oh wait, actually I don't know what this is. This is just a nordyne. A couple of nordynes. This one could fire up as well. Here's this one right here. Open scroll compressor. It's a heat pump. That one has a brownish and fan motor. That one actually has been running. Nice. To the 2016 4-ton. These are two 4-tons. This one started up. Yeah, this one started up.
I saw that.
Well, it looks like our old unit at 18A.
We had a Frigidaire?
Yeah, we had a Frigidaire. Wow, this one sounds really nice. I like it. It's quiet.
You waiting for this thing to shut down?
No, I'm not waiting for this thing to shut down. This one started up.
Why did you get your shades on?
Alright. So, it's gonna shut down. Or actually, no. Oh, there's a food over there. Alright. So, thank you for watching, and over and out. There's a startup with this one.